In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Microsoft Word files directly to your local PC instead of OneDrive. If you ever feel confused about where your documents are being stored or you prefer keeping everything on your own computer, this guide is for you. By default, Word often tries to save files to OneDrive, especially if you're signed in with a Microsoft account. While cloud storage can be useful, saving files locally gives you more control, makes offline access easier, and helps you keep your folders organized exactly the way you want. Let's start from the beginning. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you're working on. You can open it from your recent files list or by browsing through folders on your computer. Once the document is open, look at the top left corner and click on File. This menu is where all the important options live, including saving, printing, and sharing. Next, click on Save As. This step is important because it lets you choose where the file will be saved, not just save changes to the current location. When the Save As screen appears, you may see OneDrive selected by default. To change this, look for This PC and click on it. Choosing This PC tells Word that you want to store the file on your computer instead of the cloud. Now you'll be able to pick a folder on your PC. You can save the file in Documents, on your desktop, or inside any folder you've created for your work. If you want to stay organized, you can even create a new folder right here before saving. Once you've selected the folder, click Save. That's it. Your Word file is now stored locally on your computer and can be accessed anytime, even without an internet connection. And that's how you save Word files to your local PC instead of OneDrive. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.